Understanding Valve Disassembly, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase used in mechanical contexts, valve disassembly. Whether you're an English learner with an interest in engineering or just curious about technical terms, this video will help you understand what this phrase means and how it's used. Valve disassembly is a compound noun phrase. Let's break it down. Valve. This is a mechanical device that controls the flow of liquid, gas, or other materials through a passage, pipe, or any kind of system. Disassembly. This refers to the process of taking something apart. In technical terms, it often involves carefully separating the components of a machine or device to examine, repair, or clean it. When combined, valve disassembly refers to the process of taking apart a valve to inspect, maintain, or fix it. Understanding the context where valve disassembly is used is crucial. This phrase is commonly found in mechanical and engineering fields. Here, it refers to the process of dismantling valves in engines, pipelines, and other mechanical systems. Instruction manuals, often seen in step-by-step guides for repairing or maintaining machinery. Safety protocols, sometimes used in safety procedures, emphasizing the careful and systematic approach needed to disassemble a valve. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used. 1. Before cleaning the pump, ensure you perform a complete valve disassembly. 2. The technician specialized in valve disassembly and reassembly. 3. Please refer to the valve disassembly instructions in the manual. These examples help in understanding the practical application of the phrase in various contexts. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of valve disassembly. It's a phrase that might seem complex at first, but it's quite straightforward when broken down. Remember, understanding such specific phrases can greatly enhance your technical vocabulary in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.